Hey, little boy. Hi. You eating your banana puffs? Huh? Are they good? Another one? Can you pick it up? Can you pick it up? You gotta start learning to pick them up like a big boy. Okay? Can you start doing that, little boy? Like a big boy? Alright, let's try another one. Here. There you go. There it is. You're going pick it up. Eat it. Here. Yay. You gotta pick it up. Silly Willy. Where's Dylan? Where's Dylan? Yeah, I don't want to play that right now, do you? Okay, here's another one. You're going to grab my hand and put it in your mouth. You can grab my hand. You can grab my hand. But there you go. All right, take it. There you go. Oh, no. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. You're like, no, I don't want to do this. All right, bye-bye.